Straight victory ultimately going to the San Miguel Beermen, but that won't stop us from looking at the highlights led by the Slamma Jamma from Chris Newsom. And both teams, Coach Ali, basically for the first half, parang feeling out, nagkakapaan pa to see kung saan sila may advantage. San Miguel struggled from the perimeter, but what they did was attack relentlessly inside.
Tama ka. And, well, lessons learned para dito sa Meralco Bolts from Coach Norman. Kasi, okay, sige, first, sinasabi mo, medyo pakiramdaman, pero parang ako, I felt leaning more. Ito, 2019 lang ito. Tapos itong second and third quarter, I think we're gonna see more highlights coming from the side of the Meralco Bolts. The second and the third, more bots, pero ito, syempre, in between that is the, kaya nga 20 plus points ito si Moala Tautua. Pero di ba, nice shots coming from Baseramer. We got some nice runners also, yung kanyang pabanda na tira right here. So ito yung sinasabi natin, parang more in control. Di ba? Mas may impact yung balls na nakikita ko, lalo na dito sa third quarter na makikita natin. Pero, well, in the end was the Beermen. Ito, makikita natin yung ating third chunk.
It was in the third kasi na biglang bumulusok yung Meralco sa kanilang offense. And akala natin, kontrolado na nila yung laro. But the shots by Hodge were big time as well as the three-point shooting. But it was San Miguel really just waiting for the right time to strike.
Tama.
Yun yung nangyari.
Alain heating up a little bit. Nice corner three. The 9-point advantage para dito sa Meralco Bolts. And that nice run. Di ba kung maalala mo? 13-0. Balloon to I think 23-3 at one point. Yung run ng Bolts. Pero like you said, just finding ways. Guys like Mo Tauto. You gotta make mention of the nice double-double of Arwind as well. Backing down Clifford Hodge ito. Mo Tauto. Again, the nice finish. We even saw a three-pointer. Look at the face. He just felt it, my friend. He was just loving it. Mawala Tautua.
And then in the end, it was Alex Cabagnot and Chris Ross. These two gentlemen doing it every single year. And they did it once again inside the bubble as Ross, Tautua, Santos, Cabagnot, and company take care of business to deliver the victory for San Miguel. Yan po